see this whole edge. This side is all wore down, and it gets wider up here. And that's due to the weight that we used to have here. It was pushing this side of the blade up and making that side ride down. And so it wore, see, that whole bottom piece here wore right down to nothing pretty well. So we're gonna, I've already cut out what was remaining here. I already cut that out. And we got a new strip to go there, new strip to go on the inside up. And then we've got this piece to go on the front side to give us our original height of where the blade would have sat. So that's where we're at. I'm gonna keep grinding all this weld away, or all this bend I should say, where the plate was formed. Grind all that nice and smooth, so I can lay my flat piece in there nice and flat, so it comes up, and then on the other one, attach it here. So that's where we're at. It's a 7-foot Caterpillar blade for our Bobcat S76. A little update on what I've been doing. So you can see down there, I'm pretty much done gouging all this piece off to make it nice and flat so that my new piece sits in there nice and flush. There's still some spots to get up in here. It's really hard. The grinder, I can't fit it down this way, so I've got to stick it upside down and do one of these moves, and hard to see, and I'm also shooting sparks right back in my face. So, but anyways, that's what we're doing. We're making progress though. Like I said in the other one, I don't know if you heard me before or not, it was too loud with the snuffleupagus going. Snuffleupagus. So, but like I was saying, we're gonna put this up flush here, take one of these, plate it in the back here. Well, first I'm gonna take one of these and double up this on the inside and then plate it in. So get that structure all back, and then also creates a nice straight edge where the other side is wore down. This will at least straighten up the edge going forward. And then I made a new cutting edge, about a 1/2 inch thick AR 400. So that'll be going on there once I get all this bottom structure done, cleaned up, be good to go. All right, so I kind of fucked up and didn't film any of it, but there's our new structure. Little bottom plate here. Don't mind my welds. And then next day I'm working on this. I gotta cut out some holes for access to for the nuts on the backside here. So that way we can, when we go to put it on and take it off, the blade that is, we have some room to put a wrench in there and hold the nut on the backside. So yeah, that's it. Party is done. We got our new cutting edge there. So yeah. Looks pretty good. Yeah, it was hard to fill that gap evenly anyways. I would do a couple inches and stop, and then a couple inches and stop. And there's underneath the blade. You look down, it's not perfect. You know, there is a bit of a variation in height, but it's not enough that you're gonna notice when you're plowing. The big thing was this end was way dipped down. So having this flat bar on the front, nice and parallel to the back, is gonna do wonders. So see down there. Yeah, so that's that done. A few more things to button up, and then it's good to move snow.